Welcome, fellow tech enthusiasts of future foam flash. Today, let's explore the captivating rumors swirling around Samsung's highly anticipated flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Although it may not have caught your attention yet, Samsung is already hard at work creating this technological wonder, and the buzz surrounding it is truly exciting. Design and display. Let's start by examining the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Following Samsung's consistent approach with recent Ultra models, we anticipate a continuation of sleek aesthetics. Rumors suggest a titanium frame, a nod to the successful design language. Additionally, there are whispers of a larger screen, possibly reaching 6.9 inches for the Ultra variant, promising an immersive visual experience. Camera enhancements. Now, let's delve into the stand-up feature, the camera system. Rumors indicate a 200-megapixel main sensor and upgrades to wide-angle and ultra-wide lenses. These improvements promise smoother zooming and enhanced video capabilities. There's also talk of a potential 3x crop zoom feature, sparking excitement among photography enthusiasts. Performance excellence. Beneath the surface, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, a significant leap in performance. Early benchmarks are showing promising results, hinting at a powerful device that could rival the best in the market. Release timeline and conclusion. As we await the official launch, the anticipation for the Galaxy S25 Ultra continues to grow. With rumors pointing to an early 2025 release, we're eager for more details and official announcements. Stay tuned as we uncover the innovations packed into Samsung's next-gen flagship, unleashing power and performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is generating a buzz with its rumored Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Exynos 2500 chipsets, promising a significant leap in performance. Unlike previous models that faced performance gaps, especially with Exynos variants, the new Exynos architecture could potentially bridge that divide, particularly in the Ultra variant, setting a new benchmark for power-packed smartphones, accelerating speed and enhancing efficiency. Exciting whispers suggest that the S25 Ultra may feature faster UFS 4.1 speeds, resulting in smoother app experiences and improved overall efficiency. This advancement could also unlock new capabilities such as directly recording 4K videos to storage, a feature reminiscent of top-tier iPhones but tailored for Samsung's flagship experience, extending battery life and innovating charging technology. Building on the success of the S24 Ultra's robust 5,000 mAh battery, the S25 Ultra is anticipated to offer similar longevity. However, the real excitement lies in potential advancements in charging speeds. While it's uncertain if there will be a significant jump from the current 45W charging, hopes are high for faster and more efficient charging solutions, elevating software experience and unveiling cutting-edge features. With Android 15 on the horizon, the S25 Ultra is poised to showcase the latest software offerings, coupled with Samsung's renowned commitment to software support. Enthusiasts are particularly eager for potential AI enhancements, especially after the impressive Galaxy I features introduced in the S24 lineup, paving the way for a more intuitive and personalized user experience. A quantum leap in photography with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The anticipation surrounding Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, reaches a crescendo as rumors swirl about groundbreaking enhancements to its camera system. Positioned for an early 2023 release, this device is poised to redefine mobile photography. Leaks from reliable sources like Ice Universe suggest a monumental upgrade for two key rear cameras, the ultra-wide and 3x telephoto lenses. These components are reportedly receiving a substantial resolution boost to 50 MP each, signaling a seismic shift from the S24 Ultra's modest 10 MP telephoto and 12 MP ultra-wide lenses. This leap in resolution promises unparalleled image quality and an immersive photography experience. unveiling the redefined camera configuration of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. In a strategic departure from its predecessors, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to introduce a refined camera configuration. Contrary to earlier models sporting 4 rear cameras, the S25 Ultra is rumored to embrace a streamlined trio, potentially omitting the 10MP 3x optical zoom telephoto lens. However, Samsung's innovation doesn't falter. To compensate for the absence of a dedicated telephoto lens, the main camera's capabilities in capturing 3x zoom shots are expected to undergo a significant enhancement through advanced image processing algorithms. While maintaining the same resolution and sensor size as the S24 Ultra, the main camera promises improved performance in challenging low-light conditions, ensuring stunning results across varied lighting scenarios. Amidst these transformations, the ultra-wide camera remains a constant, highlighting Samsung's commitment to refining existing strengths while pushing the boundaries of technological excellence. Furthermore, Samsung's engineering prowess shines through in the periscope zoom camera, currently undergoing rigorous testing to deliver variable zoom capabilities. Enthusiasts can anticipate a spectrum of options, offering fixed focal lengths between 4x5x and 6x7x, promising versatility and precision in capturing every moment. Navigating the controversy and expectations surrounding the Galaxy S25 series. As the Galaxy S25 series inches closer to its grand debut, it sparks a wave of speculation and anticipation, fueled by recent revelations in semiconductor technology. The advent of new ARM CPUs and GPUs sets the stage for a dynamic discourse surrounding performance differentials and user experience enhancements. One of the central debates poised to reignite with the Galaxy S25 series is the age-old Snapdragon versus Exynos rivalry. Samsung's strategic allocation of Snapdragon chips for specific markets and Exynos variants for global audiences often leads to discernible variations in performance, battery efficiency, and network capabilities. The introduction of ARM CPU cores in the Exynos 2500 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 heralds a new chapter in chipset innovation. Tech enthusiasts and consumers brace for a spirited discussion on the nuanced advantages and optimizations offered by each chipset, shaping user preferences and driving technological advancements in the ever-evolving smartphone landscape. Qualcomm's journey in CPU designs. Let's take a closer look at Qualcomm's evolution in CPU designs. We'll talk about how they transitioned from their custom crate cores to using ARM Cortex CPU designs. Additionally, we'll highlight the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with Fumix cores from Nuvia's acquisition and discuss the potential performance and power efficiency improvements. Samsung's ARM Cortex CPU journey. Next, we'll explore Samsung's reliance on ARM Cortex CPUs for their Exynos chips. We'll touch on the new ARM Cortex X925, a 725, and a 520 expected in the Exynos 2500 for the upcoming Galaxy S25. We'll also compare the performance differences between Exynos and Snapdragon models. Impact on performance and battery life. We'll address the potential performance gap between Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Exynos 2500 and speculate on how power consumption could affect battery life. Additionally, we'll discuss rumors of larger batteries in next-gen phones and what that means for users. Outro. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll delve into more intriguing topics to keep you engaged.